Miguel, and welcome back to ISA Square Solution News. Today we are going to explore a little bit more the National Interoperability Framework Observatory. What is that? Well, basically it's one mechanism that we're using to help member states to implement interoperability in Europe. But I'm pretty sure of the fact that the project officer for the NIFO, which is the letters for which National Interoperability Framework stands for, will be able to explain more a little bit. Miguel Alvarez, project officer for NIFO, welcome. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
So, first question would be could you please explain to us what is NIFO more in detail? Because it was a very, very brief explanation.
It's the European Observatory on Interoperability and Digital Services. In addition to that, NIFO is a community of experts and national representatives to exchange best practices on interoperability. In a nutshell, I could say it has four main objectives. The first one, obviously, since we are the Interoperability Observatory, we have the responsibility of monitoring on a regular basis the level of implementation, alignment of an implementation of the National Interoperability Frameworks to the European Interoperability Framework. Secondly, we are a kind of business intelligence service as well, since we produce on a regular basis reports and studies on interoperability, digital transformation and digital services. Since we have the responsibility of promoting the monitoring and also promoting the European Interoperability Framework, we produce supporting material for the member states for all sorts of competent authorities to implement interoperability and the principles and recommendations of the EIF through a series of material like training modules, EIF toolbox, and other studies and guidelines that we are producing right now.
As you can see, there is an intensive collaboration between NIFO from the Commission and with the Member States and so on. But what are the main benefits of this NIFO?
First of all, for the Member States, there is a real benefit of participating in NIFO and just giving us the data for the monitoring of the EIF. This way we can just help them to understand where are the missing aspects on interoperability, the missing points, how to bridge these gaps. So basically, thanks to the monitoring of the EIF, we can already support the member states to understand, to figure out in which areas they can improve.
Again, as a very, very long road to go through, full of challenges, full of a lot of obstacles and a lot of collaboration between member states, the Commission and so on, different actors trying to go to the same ending point. Could you please tell us more about the next steps towards this?
We want to foster this community by also providing more material, raise awareness material on interoperability on the EIF, because we are very much aware that many competent authorities, especially local municipalities, small municipalities, they are not very much aware of what is EIF. So it's a joint effort from many teams.
Thanks to all of you from our side, and Miguel, thanks to you for leading this project, for putting so much effort and enthusiasm on this, and good luck in this long road ahead to make Europe more interoperable. Miguel Alvarez, project officer for NIFO, thanks a lot for joining us today.
Thank you.
And you, as usual, stay tuned. We will come back soon with more news about interoperability and how to digitalize public administrations, making your life easier. See you soon. Bye-bye.